Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 14 October 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please note that the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk and Tesla are under the spotlight after unveiling their latest robotic creations, including the Optimus robot and a self-driving robotaxi. Critics were quick to draw parallels between these designs and the futuristic technology depicted in the 2004 film I, Robot, directed by Alex Proyas. The event, humorously dubbed We, Robot, has sparked discussions on social media about the originality of Tesla's designs, with many pointing out their resemblance to the NS5 robots and vehicles from the movie. Director Alex Proyas himself joined the conversation on Twitter, humorously asking Elon Musk if he could have his designs back. This sentiment was echoed by other industry figures, such as filmmaker Matt Granger, who expressed frustration over what they perceive as a lack of creativity from Musk. The incident has reignited debates about intellectual property and originality in the rapidly advancing fields of robotics and autonomous vehicles. In other news, SpaceX has achieved a significant milestone with the successful launch of its Starship rocket on October 13, 2024. The launch took place from the Boca Chica Starbase in Texas, with the Super Heavy booster stage being caught mid-air by a pair of giant robotic arms, affectionately known as chopsticks, as it returned to the launch pad. This maneuver is a crucial step towards SpaceX's goal of developing fully reusable rockets for missions to the Moon and Mars. The upper stage of the Starship reached an impressive altitude of nearly 90 miles before making a splashdown in the Indian Ocean. Meanwhile, the booster successfully reignited its engines to slow its descent, marking a smoother re-entry than previous tests, thanks to improvements in its heat-shielding tiles. However, after the splashdown, the Starship was seen exploding, leaving it unclear whether this was a controlled detonation or a result of a fuel leak. Former astronaut Chris Hadfield praised the achievement, emphasizing its importance for the future of human space exploration. Despite the explosion, the event was celebrated as a historic day for engineering and space travel, showcasing SpaceX's continued progress in pushing the boundaries of what's possible. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, and SpaceX as fascinating as we did. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news and insights. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.